Welcome to today's seminar topic transmission media. Whether you are clear or live or watching the replay, I am thrilled to have you in this section. We are going to explore the types of transmission media and what is transmission, how can it work, and they contain two types. We detailedly see about it, and they by the end you have a clear understand of transmission media and types of transmission media. So let we go for the topic transmission media. A transmission media can be broadly defined as anything that can carry information from a source to destination. For example, the transmission media for two people having the dinner conversation in their ear can also be used to convey the message in a smoke signal or semaphores. A transmission media refers to the physical or wireless pathways. They carry data from one device to another device in a network. They are broadly categorized into two types, and one type is guided media and other type is unguided transmission media. They transfer message one device to another device. They contain physical layer and otherwise wireless communication. They contains two types, guided and unguided. First we see about transmission media. Guided media, which are those provide concrete from one device to another, include twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber cable. Guided media involves physical cable to transmit data. It contains physical cable. Transmission media use physical cable to transmit data. They are generally more reliable, secure, and offer higher data transfer rates. They contain three types: twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable. In twisted pair cable consists of two insulated copper wire twisted together to reduce electromagnetic interference. They contain types. Twisted pair cables contain types: unshielded twisted pair, shielded twisted pair, UDP, STP. UDP, let me see UDP, common in LANs and telephone lines, more adaptable but prone to interference. Shielded twisted pair, STTP, includes a metal shield for external protection and used in environment with high interference. Twisted pair cable has advantages: low cost, easily installation, fixable, and disadvantages of twisted pair cable is limited bandwidth, sustainable to interference. And next we see about coaxial cable. Consists of central conductor, insulating layer, a metallic shield, and the outer cover. It uses cable TV, broadband, internet, and CCTV systems. Advantages of coaxial cable is better shielding than twisted pair, support higher bandwidth. Disadvantages of coaxial cable is expensive. It's more expensive, difficult to install over long distance. It difficult to communicate long distance. Next we see about fiber optic cable. Use light pulses to transmit data through glass or plastic fibers. Fiber means we know that glass or plastic. To transmit data through glass or plastic is called fiber optic cables. They contains two types: SMF, single mode fiber, uses a single light. It uses single light beam, support long distance communication. It uses single light to support long distance communication up to 100 kilometer. And next we see about multi-mode fiber. Uses multiple lights beams. Single mode contains single light and multiple mode fiber contains multiple lights, sustainable for short distance communication. And uses of our fiber optic cable is high speed internet, long distance communication, medical imaging. Next, on the advantages of fiber optic cable is high speed, long distance capability, immune to electromagnetic interference, highly secure. Fiber optical is highly secure. Disadvantages of fiber optic cable is expensive, complex installation, and frequently. Next we see about the another type of transmission media is unguided wireless transmission media. Unguided media uses electromagnetic waves to transmit data over a ear, eliminating the need for physical cable. Physical cable. Unguided at the transmission media over here, eliminating the air for need physical cables. It contains three types: radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves. we see about unguided transmission media has physical cables. They contain physical cables, and guided transmission media does not contain physical cables. And guided unguided transmission media contains physical cables. They contain three types: radio waves, microwaves, infracted waves, and radio waves. Long frequency signals that can travel long distance and penetrate walls. Uses of radio waves is Wi-Fi, FM radio, mobile networks, and advantages of radio wave is wireless, support mobility, covers large area. Disadvantages of radio wave is prone to interference, security risks, and microwaves. High frequency signal used for point to point communication. Microwaves is used for high frequency to communicate point to point. Requires light of sight transmission. And the types of microwaves is terrestrial microwaves, satellite microwaves. Terrestrial microwaves used in mobile networks and TV broadcasting. Satellite microwaves used in GPS, satellite internet and weather monitoring. Advantages of microwaves is high bandwidth, sustainable for long distance communication. Disadvantages of affected by weather condition, expensive. And infracted waves. Let's see about the third types, infracted waves. Short range communication using light waves, cannot pass through the opticals. It cannot pass through the opticals. It is short range communication using light waves. Uses on the remote control, short range wireless communication, and advantages from the interdetected waves, secure, long power, low power consumption. Disadvantages of infected waves is requires light off and short range. And thank you.